how to reinstall graphic driver display driver on Windows. So let's get started. Firstly, let's start with how to uninstall the graphic driver Windows 10. So you can simply follow these steps to uninstall it. Firstly, right click Start and select Device Manager from the drop down menu to open it. Expand the display adapters option and then select Uninstall Device option available there. Now select Delete the driver software for this device and then click Uninstall from the pop-out windows to uninstall the graphics driver on Windows 10. If you'd remember the driver name you use in this step, you want to manually reinstall the graphics driver later. In the following example, the manufacturer is AMD Radeon RX Vega 11 graphics. So in order to reinstall the graphic driver Windows 10, there are two available methods. So firstly, reboot your computer to perform an automatic installation. Download the driver from its official site and install it. First, after you uninstall the graphics card from your computer, you can just reboot your computer and then Windows can automatically install the latest version of the graphics driver on your computer. Or else you can also choose to manually install the graphics driver on your computer. To do this job, you need to search for the manufacturer of the graphics driver you use on the internet and then select a reliable source to download and install it on your computer. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.